Many companies are already operating out of Kenya and servicing regional markets. Following consultations again with stakeholders, VAT on exported services will be removed in the finance bill.
I hope the last couple of days has answered the question of why Africa, why, there you go. It's been a great event, and thanks to AmChan and all the partners for making this such a huge success.
Your Excellency the President, I am very delighted by the enthusiasm, by the drive, and by the sheer optimism of American business to be here in Kenya. What I want to assure you from the side of the government of Kenya is that we are open for business. We are here to help you, to facilitate you, and to provide a one-stop solution for everything that you may need from us. Kenya is indeed open for business. With those few remarks, now it is...
VAT on exported services will now be removed in the finance bill in the coming budget in June this year. It is with pleasure that I announce a finalized deal between Moderna and the government of Kenya to build a $500 million mRNA vaccine facility in Nairobi. Finally, this is done. This will be the only such facility on the African continent, and for Moderna, their first factory outside the United States.